everyone!
Hi everyone, my name's Ashley.
I'm Siobhan.
And we own Flowers by Siobhan in Manchester, England. First and foremost, I want to say a big happy birthday to my beautiful wife, Siobhan.
Thank you.
And she's quite possibly got the best birthday present she could get today. We've reached 100 subscribers! It's a mini milestone. And today we did something a little bit different instead of our usual videos. Siobhan decided to make a wedding bouquet but didn't want to talk on it. So I took the role on and I did a voiceover on it. We hope you all enjoy it. It's something a little bit different, something we hope it will cheer you up as we're coming into autumn and it's a bit miserable. If you've not already done so, hit that subscribe button. If you want to become part of the Flowers by Siobhan family, press that little bell. You'll get all our notifications on our upcoming videos. And everyone have a good day. Happy birthday, Siobhan! Alright, Jesus, now Siobhan's decided to do this video in the style of an old-fashioned silent movie. So as Siobhan's Irish, I'm going to narrate it for her in my Irish Jamaican accent. First and foremost, she's added an avalanche rose. And then some Ming firm, everything's in on the angle. And a little bit of freesia there, I see. Yes, she's added a little bit of freesia, and everything's adding on the angle and a little turn there. Alright, Jesus, I think that's a red rose behind there. And some more foliage there. I think that's some more foliage. Where are we going to put it? A little look at the camera there. Hi Siobhan, how are you? And she's added some, yes, it's the foliage she's added. And she's put it in on the angle, a little bit of a turn there. And a little bit of snip of the old Jesus Christ. And some more foliage there. Everything's added in on the angle. Hi Siobhan, we're still here. We can all see you. Hi, how you doing there? Top of the morning. And a little bit of some foliage there. I can see she's having a little play about with it. And, oh jeez, another red rose, why not? And a little bit of a turn there. And what's that should be adding there, jeez? You'll be adding another avalanche rose there. Everything on the angle. You keep looking at the camera, we're all still watching you. And we're having, and I think he got stuck in her jumper there, her cardi. And I think that was another red rose there, and another, I think that's an avalanche rose. Everything's held with the left hand, and everything's fed in with the right hand on the angle. And geez, and some Ming fern there. Where are we going to put it? Find a place, Siobhan, for the love of God. And yeah, oh, we're going for the pause button. Ah, jeez, we're back. And I think, Jesus Christ, Siobhan, what's so funny? And another little, what are we going for there? I think she went for some salal there. And I think that was an avalanche road. Everything's fed in on the angle there. Alright, Jesus Christ. She's gone for the freesia. She reached for the freesia, everybody on the angle again. And what are we going for? Some more freesia. Jesus Christ, man, these other flowers, you know. And what else are we going for here? Are we going for some, Jesus, some more freesia? And I think that's an avalanche rose there. Yes, she fed it in on the angle. A nice, beautiful avalanche rose. And yes, that will be salal, Siobhan. Jesus Christ almighty. And she's gone in for, what's she reaching in for now? The salal's moved that out the way there. And some more salal on the angle, everything's fed in. Let's feed them gaps, We don't like the gaps. I think that was some freesia that went in fast, because that went fast. And we have a little play about it. Let's make sure it's in the correct place there now. And some freesia. Jesus, she loves the freesia, this girl, Jesus. And we're feeding it in there with some more. Alright, Jesus, once you know it's some more freesia there. And everything's in on the angle there. And we're going for, so yes, oh jeez, it looks beautiful, Siobhan. Yes, it looks beautiful. And we're going for the freesia there. Jesus Christ. Some freesia there, beautiful. Just raised slightly above the rest of the flowers on the bouquet. Just give it a little bit of texture there. Jesus, have a little bit of play about with the thing there. Just make sure everything looks beautiful. Yes, Jesus Christ. Everything looks beautiful. Oh, Danny boy, your bouquet, it sure looks beautiful. Ah, Jesus, the bogies there, the bogies. Please get them bogies out. Jesus, we've gone for a little bit of a turn there. Yes, another little turn there, Jesus. What are we going for now? A little bit of close-up, Siobhan. God, Jesus, she's a beautiful lady. And we're going for some more free. Just fill the gaps in there. Alright, geez, beautiful. Beautiful. What are we going for now? Alright, geez, you reach for the salal. The salal is a good choice, Jesus Christ. And the brush will turn everything held it with the right hand. And we're feeding it in with the left hand. Jesus, of course, if you're left-handed, you'd be holding it with the right hand, feeding it in with the left hand there. Jesus Christ, what are we reaching for now? What's the pores for, Siobhan? What's the pores for? What are we reaching for? Jesus, keep filling about with the thing there. Jesus Christ, it looks beautiful as it is. What are we reaching for now? What's the delay, Siobhan? Come on, Jesus Christ. You're not talking, you're not doing anything. Jesus Christ. Alright, he's reaching for the salal there. A little bit of feeding on the angle. She's looking for the gaps. And there's another pause in the game there. Jesus Christ, come on. Let's get this thing started. Jesus, it's taking forever, Siobhan. Jesus Christ. I can't keep up this accent forever. It's bad enough as it is. And just feeding it in there. And Jesus, Siobhan. Jesus, pause the camera, Siobhan. Jesus Christ, Siobhan. Camera. If you go to the camera, pause the camera. Jesus. I'm having to fill in. Oh, now she decides to pause. Oh, she's reached for the poly ribbon there. Now she's tying it, securing it tight to what we call the binding point. She's a little look at the camera, still here. Siobhan, yes, still here. And I think she's using a teeth, what florists would call their third hand. A little bit of slip there at the binding point, make sure it's nice and secure now. And use that third hand again, yes. And what we're going to use that for, what we're going for. Geez, we're securing the stems there at the binding point. Geez, just below the binding point, that's what I'm talking about, Jesus Christ. And we're holding that thing tight there. And what's she going for now? What's she doing? What's she doing? It's all gone dark now. And what we're going for? What's she doing? She's having a little bit of playing about with the thing. I think we're going to have the grand unveiling very soon, ladies and gentlemen. I think we're building up to the grand unveiling right now to see the finished product, the finished article, we should say. And she's having a little bit of play about with a few little last minute adjustments there. Just to make sure it's okay. And geez, for the love of God. Oh, here we go. Jesus Christ, the thing is beautiful.